Managing your hotel's distribution channels just got a lot more interesting in 2025. Did you know that properties using channel managers are saving an average of 15 hours per week on manual updates? Let's explore how these tools are making a difference. Whether you're listing rooms on Booking.com, Expedia, Airbnb, or all of them, keeping everything in sync is crucial. That's why we analyzed 111 channel managers and gathered insights from over 6,000 hoteliers to bring you this overview of the top solutions for 2025. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through 6 channel managers that are delivering solid results, real data on time savings and efficiency gains, and the key features to consider for your property. Let me share a few quick insights before we explore each solution. When you're comparing options, pay special attention to how well they work with your PMS, property management system. You'll also want to ensure they update in real time across all your OTAs, online travel agencies. This is crucial for preventing double bookings. Another thing, look at their connection coverage. The best system for your property is one that syncs with all of your key booking channels. If you're finding this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly insights on hotel technology. Let us know in the comments what channel managers you're currently using. Your experience could help other hoteliers make better decisions. Now, let's take a look at these solutions. Ever wonder how top hotels manage their bookings across hundreds of channels? SiteMinder might have the answer. 3 capabilities really set this one apart. First, they've built real-time connections to 450 plus booking channels, from Booking.com to Google Hotel Ads, all syncing instantly through one dashboard. Second, their business insight tools show you exactly how each channel is performing, helping you spot where to focus your efforts. Third, and this is interesting, they've created automated inventory management that properties say has virtually eliminated overbookings. Hotel Palau Fuji in Spain is a great example of what's possible. They automated tasks that used to take hours each day, freeing up staff to focus on guests, with connections to over 350 PMS. It's working well for all kinds of properties, from boutique hotels to large resorts. While some users mention the learning curve can be a bit steep at first, the automated channel updates and time saving make it worth the initial setup. The next one has something interesting to offer. Cloudbeds. This platform is making waves among boutique hotels and B&Bs, especially with those with rooms from 100 to 50. Why? They've mastered something every hotelier dreams of: true real-time synchronization across platforms like Booking.com, Airbnb, and even specialty sites like Hostelworld. Take the Eau de Casa hostel, for example. Before Cloudbeds, they were constantly fighting overbookings. Now, their occupancy is climbing while their staff spends less time glued to screens. The secret lies in their automated inventory management that keeps everything in perfect sync. Smaller properties love it too. Things in particular, how quick they can update rates across all channels, and the way it seamlessly connects with their existing systems. Though some users mentioned the mobile interface could use some work, the time savings more than make up for it. Picture updating your rates across 400 different platforms, 80% faster than you do now. That's exactly what larger properties, especially those with 75 plus rooms, are experiencing with RateGain's lightning-fast distribution system. 3 capabilities really stand out. First, their bulk update feature that keeps everything in sync across OTAs, online travel agencies, GDS, global distribution systems, and meta search platforms. Second, a clever analytics dashboard that spots revenue opportunities others miss. And third, this is interesting, they've created a system that helps you drive more direct bookings through Google and TripAdvisor. The metropolitan hotels put this to the test and ended up doubling their revenue from last-minute bookings alone. While it's on the premium end of pricing, users say the ROI makes it worth every penny. Speaking of independent properties, here's a solution that's making waves in the B&B space, eviivo Suite. What makes this one unique is its focus on smaller properties, especially those with 5 to 50 rooms. They've simplified everything down to a single click, from updating rates to managing visibility across major OTAs, or online travel agencies. Gasthauskanal in Germany shows what's possible when you get it right. They transformed their operations completely, boosting direct bookings from 29% to 43% and increasing overall stays by 40%. 2 standout features made this happen. Their automated inventory management that prevents overbookings, and smart pricing tools that help properties stay competitive. Small property owners particularly praise how it handles everything from a single dashboard, though some mention they'd like to see more customization options. Now, here's something interesting for properties looking to boost their direct bookings. Profitroom. The platform shines in 3 key areas: real-time rate management across hundreds of channels, flexible pricing for different scenarios like child rates and seasonal promotions, and a clever self-mapping feature that puts you in control of your OTA connections. Hotel Panorama put these capabilities to work and saw their direct booking revenue jump by 60%. The secret? Complete control over their distribution strategy without getting bogged down in manual updates. Mid-size and larger properties especially appreciate how it handles complex rate structures while keeping everything synchronized. For those seeking simplicity in channel management, there's Cubulus. They've taken an interesting approach by focusing on the essentials, connecting your property to over 200 booking platforms through one clean dashboard. Their self-mapping feature means that you can set up new channels yourself, while their real-time sync keeps everything accurate across platforms. 2 capabilities really stand out here: instant inventory updates that help prevent overbookings, and flexible rate management that adapts to different occupancy scenarios. Properties particularly value how it streamlines their daily operations, though the platform works best for those wanting straightforward channel management without extra complexity. And there you have it, an inside look at the channel managers that are transforming hotel distribution in 2025. Whether you're running a cozy B&B or managing a luxury resort, here's what matters most: finding a solution that matches your property's unique needs. Your perfect match might be different from the hotel next door, and that's exactly how it should be. Take your time exploring these options. Now, if you found these insights helpful, hit that subscribe button down below. We're bringing you fresh hotel tech reviews every week to help you stay ahead of the game. And hey, drop a comment. Tell us what channel managers you're using now. Your experience can help other hoteliers make better decisions. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.